Welcome to my class, your class. Hello, hello! Welcome back to our English adventure. Today, we are learning something magic. Are you ready? Look, I have a toy in my hand. It is very close to me. This is a teddy bear. Say with me, this is a teddy bear. Great job. Oh, look over there. The toy is far away now. That is a teddy bear. Let's say it together. That is a teddy bear. Awesome. Now look, I have two toys in my hands. They are close to me. These are teddy bears. Repeat after me. These are teddy bears. Nice. Wow! Now the toys are far away. Those are teddy bears. Say it loud. Those are teddy bears. Perfect. Now, let's review. This near one, that far one, these near many, those far many. You did amazing today. See you next time. Bye-bye.